Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Tracy, and today I'm going to take you through how to use Google Meet. But before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you not to miss interesting updates in future. So, as you all know, Google Meet is a video conferencing tool that allows users to host and join virtual meetings. And for you to use Google Meet, the first step is to start by signing in. You can go to the Google Meet website, like here. You type meet.google.com. Then you click on this and it will open for the application, or you can just come here and okay, as you can see, these are some of the Google applications, including Google Meet here. Just tap on it, then it will open. So from here, you can start a meeting by either opening a new meeting or enter a code or a link of a meeting that's already taking place. Or okay, like if you have the code, a link somewhere, you copy and paste here, then you join the meeting. And I think we should start a new meeting, and then when you click on the new meeting, they will bring for you this. Okay, you have to choose from these three. You can either create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, or you schedule in Google Calendar the date of the meeting. And then let's start an instant meeting. Which is here. As you can see, my meeting is ready, and here is the link. You can copy the link, and okay, if you, for example, if it's a class meeting, you can add your students you can send a link to your students by tapping on add others. Then yeah, you send for them you share with them the link. So, but before you start the meeting, you have to adjust some of these settings. You have to adjust them according to your needs. Like here, the microphone, you can turn it all. The video settings, you can see here the captions, you can turn it on or off, because okay, it can be writing everything you're saying, and it helps other students. And also here, yeah, you can easily send a reaction according to how the meeting is taking place. You can raise your hand, and there are more options here. And here you can be able to see the people, okay, the participants in the meeting, and yeah, you can chat freely. You can make the meeting lively, as you be chatting with your friends through messages. And then okay, like these settings, when you're presenting, they will not be there. So for you to make it easy, to make it easy for you, you just have to use these shortcuts. The shortcuts to turn on or off your camera. So after adjusting everything, you come and start your presentation. But then before, you have to share your screen like this. You share, then yeah, let me see. Then and when you want to leave the meeting, you come here and click on this red button, then the meeting will automatically end. I think that's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.